guys, it's Halloween and I'm so excited. I'm about to get into my Freddy Krueger costume. For those of you who haven't seen my part 1 of becoming Freddy Krueger, I make the skin in that video and I'll put a link up here somewhere, so make sure you check that out as well. I'm a little nervous. I'm giving myself roughly 2 hours, 2.5 hours to get into the costume. The goal is to get in costume before the sun goes down because I want to go to the actual Nightmare on Elm Street filming location, Nancy's house. I want to go there in costume and take photos. I'm gonna film me putting the makeup on and getting in a costume, and then I'll show you photos at the end, what I look like as Freddy in front of Nancy's house. How cool is that? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so nervous, I'm so excited. It's gonna go great, right? What could go wrong? I just had a mini meltdown because of this stupid piece of I'm doing another bald cap. I literally just left to go back to the Halloween store on Halloween, which is a nightmare. And I got another bald cap. And this is the one I should have gotten, but it was 4 times the price, so I didn't want to. Because I'm covering it up. Like, should have just shaved my head in quarantine. So I'm gonna try this, and I'm gonna be slow. The lady at the Halloween store was like, slow down. Be slower.
I get too excited.
Okay, I'm gonna start putting these on. The bald cap is not my favorite. I still have hair sticking out. I'm gonna figure that out at the end. Maybe I can hide it in the hat. Oh, I don't really know. I'm just not gonna deal with the back, okay? We're gonna pretend it's not there for now. It's gonna be great. It's kind of nice. That fit's kind of nice. Oh God, it's the first scar. I'm nervous. So I'm starting to put the spirit the spirit glue up at the top. And then I'm hoping to just kind of start painting it down. I hope this works.
This is fun. This is what you chose to do. Remember this. Remember, this is what you chose. This is your life. No one else's life.
Do you ever just fully question your entire life choices? This is the weirdest thing I've ever done. I feel like I'm putting like pieces of meat on my face. I'm starting to get the hang of it. The glue is like surprisingly challenging, but I think it's somewhat going okay. The good thing about Freddy is that it's kind of like a forgiving costume because, you know, he's burnt and you can kind of be creative with how that looks. So now I need to paint it, but I need to look up photos of Freddy so I can try to get kind of close to what I want it to look like. He's so scary. I mean, that's a pretty iconic one. I gotta confess, I don't know what the f I'm doing. Going off instinct at this point. Here's my thought process. He has been burnt, so soot is a thing. Right? That's like a thing.
You can't see it, but I've made a big mess. And that's okay. It's for Halloween, right?
So this is where we're at so far. I've kind of got out of control. At this point, I was like, I feel like maybe he should look more like his skin has been peeling off in like sections. I kind of feel like I look like my face has been ripped off, which is kind of like Freddy, but kind of not. It's my interpretation, I guess. Ow, this shit kind of burns. I don't know how to lip. Oh. Okay, well this is where we're at. Let's try this head out. Ooh. So then I can see where to paint. At this point now I'm just painting the back of my scalp. Trying to do some finishing touches here before I put my glove on. It turned out not as bad as I thought it would. I got really scared there in the beginning when the bald cap broke. My life ended for a second. Well, I think it turned out pretty well, considering.
This